All right, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a chair. So let's get started. All right, we need a cube. Now for the bottom part, we need a cube. Uh, let's see. We need to size it on the z-axis. All right. Now we need to bring it up. And then we need to create legs. No, I'll just duplicate this one. It's fine. Okay. Duplicate, grab Z, D, D, D. All right. There we go. Actually, no. There we go. Okay. Now let's grab this and bring it this way. We're going to put it right about there. And then right about there, give or take. Uh-huh. Duplicate, grab X. No, Y. There we go. Grab Y. D, D, D. No. About right there. Yep, that works. Okay. Now we need to now duplicate and grab on this axis and bring it right over here. And there we go. Woohoo. Bottom half. Nice. Almost bottom half. Okay. Duplicate. Size. No. Z. And it. And then grab it on the y-axis. Maybe size a little bit more. Actually, no. No, 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 no. Let's get out of there. Let's bring in a cylinder. There we go. Okay, size it on the Z. Bam. Uh-huh. Rotate X 90. Good to go. Yep. Grab Z. Grab X. Yep. Good stuff. All right. Now we need to get that kind of in the center, not all the way. It doesn't have to be perfect. Good to go. Awesome. Okay. Size on no. Yes. That works. All right. So duplicate, grab Y. No, X. I always mess it up with those two. Don't know why. Green is Y, red is X. But always somehow gets messed up. But that's okay. Duplicate, rotate Z 90. Good to go. Grab Z. And good to go. Awesome. Okay, so that is the bottom of the chair. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to do the top of the chair. So let's go ahead and duplicate, grab Z. Uh-huh. That, yeah. Okay. I could have duplicated both, grabbed them up at Z. I don't know why I didn't. but whatever. And they're at different spots, so delete. Okay, let's try this one more. No, there we go. Duplicate grabsy. Now they are good. Awesome. Okay. Huh. Maybe a little bit taller. Way too tall. Good to go. All right. Let's do this. Okay. DD. Uh-huh. Grab Z. Uh-huh. Rotate. No. Yeah. Uh-huh. Size X. And do my right there. Uh-huh. X. Uh-huh. Okay. Size on the X. Oh, I got it right the first time. Nice. Okay. Grab Z. Near. Uy. Grab. Okay. That works pretty well. Okay. All right. Now we need that. Now, you are killing me. There we go. And then there we go. Uh-huh. Okay, that works. Uh, no. Wrong one. Hold on. Uh, hmm. Yeah, that works. Okay. We're gonna poof it out just a smidge. There we go. Now it looks like a pillow. Woohoo. Okay. Now for thank you. Killing me. There we go. And now, yes. Awesome. Grab X. What? No. There we go. Grab X. Oh, you're being a jerk. Okay. Whatever. We just won't do that. Okay. It's fine just like that. Actually, we can. Nope. Okay. That was kind of terrible. Well, let's do it this way. Hold on. I got this. Okay. Now, no. Okay, there we go. Okay. Tab, duplicate, size. grab X. Hey, too much. Good to go. Now do that. And then oh well, doesn't matter. Grab X, a little bit out. Grab X, a little bit more out. There we go. Okay. Kind of looks like a pillow now. Awesome. Shade smooth. Nice. Cool stuff. All right. That looks like a pillow. Woohoo. Okay. Now we need to uh duplicate size C. Grab that. And bring that over here. And let's nope. Yes. Maybe. No. Two. Can't be anything in between. Like what's going on here? Now stop doing X. Good God. There we go. Much better. Much, much better. Okay. Tab. That. Now. Darn it. I'm gonna kick your butt. Stop messing with me. Okay. Now this. Ready. All right. Grab Z. Much better. Okay. Okay. Shade smooth. And now we have a pillow. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Now we gotta. Jesus. Okay. D, G, Z, berm. Okay. Rotate. X. No. Yeah. 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 X. 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 Okay. Yeah. Z. And bring it down. Yeah. Uh-huh. And then duplicate, grab X. No. Y. Yes. Duh. Duplicate, grab X. Stop doing X. Grab Z. Okay. Duplicate, grab Y this time. Ha ha ha. Gotcha. And duplicate, grab Y. Awesome. Good stuff. All right. And now we have a nice looking chair. Now we just have to color it. Okay. So let's go into here. Create that. So the wood. And we're gonna make it a darker wood. Much better. Okay. Well, yeah. Let's make it a really dark wood. There we go. Okay, now I just gotta make all of these the same. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And uh-huh. Nice. So now we have a chair. And you can make these whatever color you want, but I'm just going to go with white because it goes good with brown. All right, so that's how you make a chair in Blender. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.